from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
County officials break ground on Henrico's newest park. We'll tell you about it in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Tuesday, February 28th, 2023, and it's brought to you today by the law firm of Barnes & Deal.
And now for the news.
Yesterday, Henrico County officials broke ground at Taylor Farm Park, a new 99-acre park being constructed in Sandston, adjacent to the Chickahominy YMCA. It's a $20 million project that will include a 17,000 square foot skate park and a 12,000 square foot pump track, a paved cycling skills course. Officials worked for several years to plan the park with extensive input from community members as to what they wanted it to look like. There will also be off-road bike trails and a splash pad along with a memorial garden for county employees. A bill from a state senator from Henrico that would standardize the nursing curriculum in the Virginia Community College system passed the House unanimously by a 99-0 vote last week. It also passed the Senate unanimously in a 29-0 vote earlier in the month. Senate Bill 1172, proposed by Senator Siobhan Donovan of Henrico. The legislation requires the system to work in collaboration with the Board of Nursing, the State Council of Higher Education, and representatives from for-profit and private not-for-profit institutions to standardize the core curriculum for all registered nursing degrees in the state. It's designed to make it easier to get registered nurses into the field, according to Donovan. You can read more about the topic right now at henricocitizen.com. And while state lawmakers did not pass any bills introducing penalties for improperly storing a firearm, they did agree to incentivize firearm safety through a tax credit. Recently, they passed a measure introduced by Delegate Alfonso Lopez, a Democrat of Arlington, a bill that would create a tax credit for purchasing a firearm safety device such as a gun safe or locker. Anyone who purchases a device that can be used to safely store a firearm will be eligible for that tax credit. The measure would cap at one tax credit per year for up to $300 of the purchase price of one or more firearm safety devices, according to the bill. There will be an available statewide pool of $5 million, and it'll be made available on a first-come, first-served basis. Taxpayers will be required to submit receipts for their purchases. We've got much more on gun safety measures that were considered in the General Assembly right now at henricocitizen.com. And every Monday we bring you a roundup from the latest in high school sports all throughout Henrico. It's all part of our Gametime Henrico feature. And you won't want to miss what we posted yesterday. Lots of recaps from regional and state championship competition. You can find it right now at henricocitizen.com. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Barnes & Deal. Barnes & Deal has emerged as a highly respected family law firm over the past 3 decades with the resources, skills, and experience necessary to handle high-asset divorces and other complex family law matters across Virginia. To learn more, visit barnesfamilylaw.com, that's B-A-R-N-E-S, or call 796-1000.